Welcome to AICS Mentorium Data Handling in Python. In the last video, we saw different types of operators which are used in Python programming language. In this video, we will see operator overloading of multiplication, that is star operator, and addition operator, that is plus. What are expressions and in what all ways you can display the comments on your Python screen. Now let us begin with, as you can see, there are two screens over here. One is of a script mode, another one is of a interactive mode. Let us begin with operator overload. Let us say, for example, I write 2 plus 3. It results into 5. What does it mean? That when you give two numeric quantities and the addition operator, it results into what? A normal addition. 2 plus 3 results into 5. But what if suppose I give 2 plus say some other string value, say hello, then it results into error. Why? Because addition operator cannot be used with a string value and a numeric value. But what if suppose I write hi plus hello, that is I am giving the addition operator with two string quantities. Then what do we get? We get hi hello. What does it mean? When we give two string values and use the addition operator in between, it concatenates, that is it joins both the strings. Here you can see when we give two numeric values, it results into the addition. But when we give one numeric value and one string value, it results into what do we call it as a type error. So this is about the operator overloading of plus or the addition operator. Now let us see what is the operator overloading functioning in case of multiplication operator. Say for example, I have got uh, 2 star 3. So it results into 6. But what if suppose I write 2 star into quotes hello, that is one quantity is a numeric value, another one is a string value. Then I get hello hello. What does it mean? It replicates it. So when you give a numeric value and a string value, and in between them if you give a multiplication operator, then it results into what? It results into replication of that particular string value. So that many number of times it prints hello, 2 into hello. What if suppose I write 5 star hi, then it results into hi 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 5 times. But what if suppose I write two string values hi star hello, then remember it gives me what we will call it as type error. So when you are using star as a for operator overloading, but when you give one numeric quantity and another one is a string, it replicates it that many number of times. And when you give both the string values, it results into what we call it as a error. This is what is the operator overloading in star and addition. Now let us see the next topic, that is expression. Now what are expressions? Let us see expression. So for that we will write one small program, because in along with the expression we'll see the comment part also. So for example, I write hash. Okay. So here as you can see, we have written a small program to find the total value from the price and the quantity entered. So say for example, price is equal to 10, quantity is 5. So the total will be price into quantity and print total. Now if I run this particular program, what do I get? I get 50. As you can see over here, 50 is the value which comes after multiplying 10 with 5. price is 10, quantity is 5. So 10 into 5 is nothing but the 50, and it is printed as total as 50, as you can see over here in the screen of the interactive mode. So this is the result. Now over here you can see that I have written something in hash. This hash is nothing but your comment. Comments do not get executed in Python program. They are meant for readability purpose. That is just to give some title or the instruction to the programmer or the reader that this particular program or this particular piece of line of code is nothing but a for so and so purpose. So we give hash, whatever is coming after the hash is considered as a comment. Say for example, I write price. I put hash before price. Then it turns into red and it becomes comment. Now price is equal to 10 will not execute and I'll get the error if I run the program. So anything after hash is considered as a comment. Now there is one more way. This is known as a single line comment, where you put in front of the statement a single hash. What if suppose I want to comment multiple lines? So I can give triple quotes before and after the multiple line. So this turns into what do we call it as a comment, but this is known as a multi-line comment. Again, whether it is a single line comment or a multi-line comment, it doesn't get executed. So I'll remove this, because if I run it, I will not get any result. Yeah, I have removed this. Now what is this? Total is equal to price plus quantity. As you can see, it is nothing but a formula which we call it as in mathematics, but also known as expression. So expressions are nothing but the combinations of variable, constants and operator. As you can see, there are two variables over here, quantity and price, and this is a total is again a variable, and in between price and quantity there is a operator. So as per the definition of expression, it is nothing but a combination of variables, constants and operators that produce a value. Now as you can see, you have got a value over here, that is 50. Now what if suppose I want to add plus 2, that is I want to add one more 2 to the total. So 2 becomes your literal, or you can say constant. Now if I run this program, run module, save, okay, then as you can see over here, it results into 52. So 10 5 are 50 and plus 2 is 52. So this is what do we call it as an expression, where we have variables, constants and operators together, it forms a. So Python executes any expression using the BODMAS rule, yeah, and it gives you the result of the expression. Okay. So this is all in this particular video. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.